Hey guys, what is up? So as you could tell by the title of this video, did we all think I was going to be able to stay away from changing my hair for this long? I don't think so. And if you thought so, you're not from here. So let's just hop into this. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I've got my bleach mixed here. I'm gonna put some coconut oil on my hair. I was gonna put sweet almond oil, but I forgot it at my boyfriend's house, and that's like better. I'm just gonna like put some on the ends. My hair though is pretty healthy. I have not done anything to it since, I don't remember the last time I did something to it. So this was just bound to happen, you guys. Yeah. So I am going bleach blonde. I have been bleach blonde many a times before, as you have to be bleach blonde to dye your hair multiple colors, but I don't think I've ever had just bleach blonde hair and like styled it and kept it like that when my hair is this short. I mean, I think in general this is like the shortest my hair has been all around, but we're gonna go for it. So I just kind of have that in there a little bit. Not too worried about it though. My hair is pretty healthy. And I'm going to get as light as I can with one bleach. This isn't my natural hair color. It is like close to my natural hair color, but it's actually a color over top of just my bleach blonde hair that was there before. So I think that this is going to lighten really fast. The thing that's going to be really nice about this bleach process is, so the back of my hair is really freaking short, so I can just kind of like scrub-a-dub-dub it in there, and that's kind of like fun. So let's just hop into this. I also have toner that I'm gonna use. It's gonna be yellow, and I actually found a cruelty-free toner, which is so nice. Sally's has just like, there's just not a lot of options when it comes to cruelty-free toners and like finding the shade you want, because when you have a hair color in mind, like you want that color. So I think I found something that's gonna work. I know this is probably gonna lighten really fast, so squidoosh. I know the method of application may not look acceptable, but I really, whenever I do my hair, I super saturate it. I know I should also probably not do the roots yet. It's been a while, guys. I'm kind of rusty, and I just dropped bleach on my carpet. But anyways, I completely saturate my hair, so I just kind of like, I always make more than I actually need, but then I put it all in. What is your guys' most recent hair change? I didn't have my hair changed for a while, just because it was winter, and it's really easy for me when it's like winter to get in the swing of like changing my hair for a serotonin boost.
Y'all know what I'm talking about if you change your hair.
Right. Time to get that back short stuff, and then I'll put all the rest through my hair so that it's really super saturated. Squidoosh. If I start to get bored of it, I am one step away from any color of the rainbow.
I'm a genius.
How many of you guys have your own channels? That is a big patch. Oh, dark. Let's just... Oh, Fiona. My hands are covered in bleach. What am I to do? The bleach is on my hair. Obviously, you can kind of tell my roots. Hair is lighter, darker. It's darker. Because that is where my natural hair grew out. We'll see. Honestly, if it does end up not bleaching as light as the rest, that's okay. Who do I look like? Malfoy? So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a bit, actually it does not look like it needs to be in there much longer. But anyways, I'm gonna let it sit for a few more minutes. I'm going to hop out of the shower, put the toner in my hair, let that sit, hop back in the shower, and I'll be back. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the toning part because it's pretty self-explanatory. Just using a toner, but I will show you what I'm using. So this is cruelty-free, which is quite nice. It is it's the Ion brand. So I don't think Ion itself is cruelty-free, like some of their lines aren't cruelty-free, but they made this one, which is cruelty-free. It's gluten-free, vegan, ammonia-free, PPD-free, and 100% gray coverage and cruelty-free. So yeah, I decided to give this a go, and then I just went with their 20 developer. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using to tone my hair. Hopefully it turns out. They actually, I guess this is new to Sally, so they didn't even have swatches out, and I was trying to Google it and I could hardly find anyone who's even really used it yet and posted about it. So ideally this will work. Unideally, we'll be taking a trip to Sally's in like 45 minutes. That's what we're looking like. Pretty yellow. Pretty yellow. Hey guys, what is up? So this is what my hair turned out like. So it's still quite mustardy and yellow at the base, and then my tips are like white. So I might try another toner at some point in the week, but for now I just kind of need a little break. The lighting you guys are seeing it from makes it look probably at its worst. In person it is a lot better, but looking at it in the camera it's like, oh jeez. And in person it's like, okay, that doesn't look horrific, but there it definitely does. So I'm just letting you guys know that this is what I left it as. The toner dye, it was actually a dye, but I was using it as a toner, did not really super work. I mean, it got some of the mustard tones out, but not a lot. So I spent a while with like purple conditioner in my hair trying to tone this down. So it's just gonna be a work in progress. I mean, going platinum blonde is always a work in progress, so it's not like me little newbie is gonna, you know, even though I've done it before. So yeah, just wanted to show you what my hair ended up like, because that's why you watched the video. But I'm gonna be working on it. So it's also not dry. I forgot to tell you guys, it's like not all the way dry yet, so that's why some spots be looking darker than others. My hair's completely dry. Like the yellow tones are not as noticeable, but obviously like that's still yellow, even though in person it actually looks just blonde, unless I'm just batshit crazy. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry it was kind of all over the place and out of nowhere, and thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one if you watch it.